no flights coming in, no hair. No, for the last half hour, I've been watching this. There's always planes lined up. Like every 30 seconds, you see them bang, 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 bang. There's nothing. The airspace around O'Hare is literally stopped for a half hour now. And check this out. Hopefully the screen will switch. There's nothing that I can find on FAA or anything. The only thing I can see is, guess what? Flights are all delayed now coming in O'Hare. So I don't know what's happening. I just want to get this out there. There's nothing coming in O'Hare. And we got many helicopters. I got a police one down there. I got this one tracking up here. There's at least 3. And then we got all the alphabet looking planes all unmarked all over the place, everywhere around here. Main point is nothing is coming into O'Hare. I've never seen this. Look at these helicopters. They're all around O'Hare. Look at this. That one's at 119 or 199. Yeah, there's nothing to see here. All these little planes circling. Look at this one. Over McHenry. They're all over the place around here. And no planes for at least that I've been watching. And I didn't know if I should do a video or not. Half hour now. So, for whatever reason, O'Hare Airspace is blocked. I didn't really check Midway. It looks like they're not getting nothing either. So, Southside also. So, they're either doing some massive training where they're delaying everybody's flights, or, all these planes we're seeing are for a reason. Oh, my. Oh, now my screen's locking up. This is creepy. Oh, my. Look at this. They should be lined up for miles and miles and miles, and then sometimes they come in from the west, depending which runway. Nothing's going into O'Hare, folks. Yeah. What is going on? And yesterday, Chicago police put an email out. All vacations were canceled for today. So something's going on that we're not being told about. How about that? Look, there's helicopters all over this city right now. And then all the mystery planes. So, and that's not just our city, but I know I'm watching mine, and there is no planes whatsoever coming into O'Hare right now. And Midway, I'm watching both here. So, yeah, that's it. That's all I can say right now. I'm going to keep watching this. I don't know what's going on, but they canceled all police officers' days off today. Everybody had to report to work in uniform today. Why? Like, what's coming up today? And why is there no air traffic? Like, huh? And what don't we know? Like, this is only what the public gets to see. Like, I don't know, man. Something creepy. I got a gut feeling something creepy is happening here. Or I smell French fries happening. The good old French fries when you can smell something. Oh my, this is way Chicago. I'll be back. This is creeping me out.